this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or set your workspace name in ElevenLabs. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So when you talk of your workspace name, this is different from your profile or account name. First, we need to access the workspace, and you can simply do this by clicking on your profile icon on the right here, and then you should see we have an option for workspace here. So head down to workspace settings, and now this will take us to workspace where we can make some changes. Among them is to create a workspace name or change if you already have one. To make the changes, click on change workspace name, and then I want to set mine, so I'll just enter mine, ElevenLabs, like that, and finally click on save to effect the changes, and as you can see, the workspace name has been set. So that's how you can set your workspace name in ElevenLabs. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.